Deja vu is your brain catching its own errors, a memory check that just failed in real time. Your hippocampus processes memory and familiarity on separate tracks. Sometimes familiarity signals arrive before the memory fully forms. Your brain recognises the moment before recording it properly. The result feels exactly like reliving something from before. Young people experience déjà vu far more than elderly. Active brains misfire more because they process things faster. Fatigue and stress dramatically increase déjà vu episodes overall. People with epilepsy experience intense déjà vu before seizures. Scientists triggered it artificially using direct electrical brain stimulation. Stimulated patients relived moments that never actually happened before. Your brain trusts its own memory more than reality. The glitch that feels mystical is just biology panicking.